you still have to control moisture and humidity. It's not a standalone product like some of these other products that, oh, if you squirt this on your wood, it'll never grow mold again. That's a lie. All right, I'm gonna start with you on this one, Mason. Will soda blasting prevent the mold from coming back?
So I think my short answer on this one is going to be no. In my opinion, what is going to prevent the mold from coming back is the process that we do after the soda blasting, whether that be insulating the walls, adding plastic to the floor, taping all the seams, and then doing something like that, or just doing maybe a partial and adding plastic to the floor, depending on what the project needs. The soda blaster is going to be the most effective at getting the mold off of the wood, but from there, the work that we do after is what prevents that from coming back.
That's right. James, you got anything to add to that?
Yeah, same. It's just important to remove the reason why the mold is there. Because sometimes we'll come in and soda blast after someone's had a prolonged plumbing leak also. And maybe the mold is not there because of prolonged humidity in a crawl space, but maybe they just had a leak there for 6 months they didn't know about. And, of course, you want to have that fixed. But the only way to keep the mold from coming back is to remove the reason why it was there, which is moisture.
That is correct. So, I'm always big on humidity. Well, humidity isn't always the reason why there's mold. I mean, like you said, a plumbing leak. So if we were to go down there and we were, real dumb at how mold works, and we were like, hey, we're going to soda blast this crawl space and we're going to leave the plumbing leaking while we're down there. Well, that's dumb. Everybody would be like, why don't you stop the plumbing leak? Well, to me, it's the same thing with humidity. If you got high humidity, why would you address the mold without addressing the humidity? Because that high humidity is going to allow that mold to return no matter how much you clean that wood. And one of the other nice things I like that we as Crawl Space Ninja do is adding that protectant. That penetrant is what it's called. It's an X70. It's a silver nanotechnology protectant, but you still have to control moisture and humidity. It's not a standalone product like some of these other products that, oh, if you squirt this on your wood, it'll never grow mold again. That's a lie.